In this video, we will understand about some of the methods of constructing index numbers for basically for unweighted things, means unweighted indices. The first methodology is a simple aggregative method. It is the simplest method of constructing index numbers. In this method, the total current year prices for various commodities is divided by the total base year prices for the same commodities, and whatever the result that is getting multiplied with 100. So mathematically, it is denoted by capital P suffix 01. 0 indicates the base year and 1 indicates the current year. Summation, which is equal to summation of small p suffix 1, whole thing divided by summation of small p suffix 0. Small p suffix 1 denotes your current year's commodities price. A summation means you are summing up all those commodities prices in the current year. And similarly, summation p naught, it means sum of all the commodities prices of base year. The whole thing you are multiplying it by 100. That is what is briefed here. And of course, this P01 is your current year's index number. So to understand this, let us use this example, construct an index number for the year 2021 with 2019 as the base from the following prices of commodities using simple aggregative method. The commodities are A, B, C, D, and E, and the prices of current year and base year is given. Base year is 2019 and current year is 2021. For each of the commodity, the prices are given. So here, summation of P naught will be your sum of this 50, 40, 10, 5 is 2, which will give you 107. And similarly, sum of the current year's prices is 80 plus 60 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6, which is given here 176. Therefore, the index number for the current year will be 176 divided by 107 multiplied by 100, which will give us 164.49 as the current year's index number. The next method is simple average of price relatives method. In this, we calculate first the price relative for each of the commodity. How do we do that? We'll see that. A price relative is obtained by expressing the price for the current period as a percentage of price of the base period. Thus, if P0 and P1 denote the commodity price during the base period and current period respectively, then the price relative PR is P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. This P1 is nothing but the current year's price of a specific commodity, and P0 is for the same commodity, what is the base year's price, and then you are multiplying it by 100. Index number for the current year is calculated mathematically as summation PR divided by N, where N is the number of commodities, means you are adding all the price relatives and then divide it by the number of commodities to get the current year's index number. Again, to understand this, we'll go with an example. The commodities are A, B, C, D. Prices for base year is given 10, 20, 30, and prices for current year is given 13, 17, 60, and 70. So we need to construct the index number for the year 2021, which becomes your current year, with 2019 as the base year for this particular data. So you are first calculating the price relative individual commodities, that is 13 by 10 into 100, 17 by 20 into 100, 60 by 30 into 100, 70 by 40 into 100, like that. We'll see that how it is. Yeah, here it is. So similarly, 17 by 20 into 100 gives you 85, 60 by 30 into 100 gives you 200, 70 by 40 into 100 gives you 175. Sum of all the price relatives gives you 590. That means the current year's price index is summation of this PR, which is 590 here, and number of commodities is 4. So you get 147.5 as the current year's price index.